Alright guys, today we're not doing anything special. We're just gonna watch my puppy pee and poop, do some other stuff with my dog. And it's almost morning, or I'm about to go to school. I hate school. That's what I do. Yeah. Hey, get over here. Hi. Hi. She likes to run a lot, and it's a girl. No. No. Okay. There's your cat over here. Hey, no. Hey. Hey, Mia, Mia. You better not run. Come on. Mia. Mia. Get over here. Come on. Yeah. Eat that cat. Get it. Get him. Get him. Get her. Go get her. Yeah. What are you doing? What are you doing? There's a cat over there. Kitty cat. Meow meow. Woo! Yay! Yeah, she doesn't really know how to jump that high. She's about to be 10 weeks old. She's about to be 10 weeks old. No. No. Mia. Get over here. Mia. Hey. There's nobody here. She wants to play with the cat. Hey. 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 Go touch the cat. Hello, kitty cat. Hello. So fluffy. What are you guys doing? Dog versus cat. Okay. Little kitty. Little cat. I was scared of cat. Oh, I just really scared of cat. You don't touch my dog. You don't touch him. You don't touch my dog. You don't touch her. Boy, you don't get you ugly ass out of here. I guess it's time to go back up. Come on. Mia. 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 Get your butt over here. Wait, no. 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 Come on, Mia. Let's go. Come on, let's go check. Come on. Mia. Come on. Come on, Mia. 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 Mia, I swear. Oh, I think the owner got the cat. Okay. Mom, she used the restroom. Right, Mia. Yo fui.